What is up, guys? Ortega drives, and I'm back here with another video today. I hope you guys had a really great Christmas, Kwanzaa, Boxing Day, you know, whatever you had. I hope it was great. Hope you had some time with your family. I got an awesome present. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. They ended up getting me some new taillights, the ZL1 style, OEM GM stuff, and we are going to get these installed today. Here's what they look like. They are these smoked ones, which I much prefer over the red. I don't really particularly like the red. It's not terrible, but especially on black, they really stand out. And these ones, let me get these out. Hold on one second. Here they are, the black smoked ones. They look super awesome. They'll look really good on a black car. I've also ordered the third brake light, but today, you'll see that in an additional video, but today we'll just get these two installed and see how it ends up looking on that car. I mean, those look pretty cool, not gonna lie, but these are gonna look way, way, way better. So again, thanks Mom and Dad for this awesome gift, and we can get started on getting these boys installed. So, first things first, we're going to get this plastic piece off. There's three little plastic tabs we're going to take off. Under this, there should be just 3 bolts, and this light essentially can come off, according to RP Productions, whose video I watched before this. So watch his video too. Yeah, let's get started. Tools you're going to need is a ratchet with an 8mm socket and a little pry tool, which I'm just using a very, very small flathead to pop these off. So basically we'll pull back this liner. I've already gotten started, and there should be 3 bolts, one here, and one down in here, which I won't be able to show you, but trust me, it's back there. Let's get those out. Now we should just be able to pull on this and it should pop out, I hope. So this clip, the way you get it off is this is kind of working as a lock. So you push down this piece here and that lock will slip up, and then you can just pull this apart by pushing down here and pulling it apart, and it'll come apart pretty easily. And that's it. The whole light is out. Amazing. So I went ahead and tightened the bolts down. You can see the 1, 2, and maybe I can get this on camera. Right there, where my finger's at. That's the third one there. Tighten everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tops back on, and you know, so I'll give you a comparison shot so you can see both of them. So far, it looks awesome. And would you take a look at that? All done. I still got to put the clips into the inside liner, but that's kind of boring. But check that out, man. And look how awesome that looks. So coming soon, I do have the centerpiece coming. Otherwise, I would probably just smoke it out black. I'm also going to do some black bow ties to finish out the look. And yeah, came out really, really cool. I love the way it looks. It really changes the whole back of the car tremendously. So yeah. So I'll show it. But this is how you get the liner back in. Just lift the rubber back and pretty much just tuck it up underneath. It'll be just like you pulled it off the first time. I did, however, destroy these things trying to get them off. But you can get a pack of these things for like just a couple of dollars at AutoZone. These are the OEM GM little snaps. I bought the car 1 year used, so the other side had one that looks like they couldn't get it off. So I'm going to work on putting that back together. But overall, man, they really, I'm just in love with the way these came out. Now I just need to hurry up and get the red piece, black this out, and I'll be really happy with the final product. Dang, it looks good. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you enjoyed it, yeah, I'm not going to say it. See you guys in the next one, guys. See you later. Peace.